Hello and welcome to the Crawley Community Awards 2020. Now it has been a very different year this year. As you can see, we're filming in a different space at the Hawth. It's empty, it's just us, but that does not change the fact that we do have winners and that your name could be in one of these envelopes. So without further ado, let's get started. The next award is for achievement, and the winner is Farah Ali Khan. Farah is one of 4 members of the UK Youth Parliament who represent West Sussex. 17-year-old Farah represents Crawley and East Grinstead. She travelled to the House of Commons in November to take part in a debate on issues which particularly affect youth. Farah was selected to read out the speech of thanks in the House of Commons. In 2019, Farah spoke in the Commons on hate crime and led campaigns on human rights, mental health, votes for 16-year-olds, knife crime, hate crime, environmental issues and promoting inclusion. Farah, congratulations.